When soldering, the flame needs to be pointed towards the fitting side of the joint. You want the hottest part, which is the light blue, you want the tip of that to be at the hub of the fitting. As you can see here, my flame is angled away from the pipe and pointed towards the hub of the fitting. Once you have the position of the flame correct, you can start soldering. Now the rule of soldering is, depending on the size of the pipe, if it's ½ inch, you use a ½ inch amount of solder. If you look inside the fitting after you're done, you'll know it's a complete seal if you see that silver ring inside of it. After you put the solder in the fitting, let it cool down and wipe down the joint.